How to sign in Gmail without phone verification. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can sign into Gmail without a phone verification, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you go to gmail.com and then basically let's say you would like to sign into your Gmail account over here, so you just go ahead and basically make sure to enter your Gmail account here, then you tap the next option and it will ask you to create your password, right, and enter your password. And once you went ahead and then enter your password, the issue here is quite simple, and that is that even if you enter your password, if you have turned on two-factor authentication, it will ask you to verify the phone number. Now this process cannot be undone if you hadn't turned on two-factor authentication, or if you had not added your phone number inside of your Google account settings. Google will not ask you for anything, but since you have, there is no way that you can actually break the security from Google and then actually just log in without the phone verification. The only thing you can do is you can basically reach out to Google. If you happen to forget or dismiss anything, you can reach out to Google, just let them know by tapping on try another way by getting a verification code, and then it will just say me that it couldn't recover the account or something like that. So hope this video helped you understand it. If you had turned on two-factor authentication, it will definitely ask you. If you had not turned on, it will not ask you for phone verification. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.